What is Gucci in the hoodie? This is Powerful Monsters Dress TV. Welcome back to the channel. Today is International Workers' Day, locally known here in the Philippines as Labor Day. May 1st na po mga kaibigan. It's a holiday. On top of that, it's double pay for employees here. Oh shit! I know where to go now. Labor Day in general is to celebrate the achievements of all employees. What I want to do with that day is to appreciate and give a quick shout out to every single person out there who has been working hard to reach their goals. Yeah, you did a great job. Continue on doing that shit, cause nothing's ever gonna stop you from achieving your goals but yourself. So, lumabas po ako para makapag-motovlog kasi I wanted to give a quick shout out to my new subscribers. You know, and thank obviously those people.
Because I know somewhere deep down in my heart, I still love you.
Who believe in me, who have supported me, and you know, made the commitment to subscribe to my channel. And give them quick thanks. And again, yeah, if you are new to this channel, if this is the first time you have watched my video, I urge you to subscribe to my channel, you know, share that content, give a quick feedback on whatever you think I can do better at improving my vlogs and whatnot. And yeah, go ahead and do that so you can get awesome content on a weekly basis. For today's motovlog, what's gonna happen is that ikot-ikot muna tayo. Hanap tayo ng pwestong pwedeng enjoy yan, no? Pwede natin puntahan. Matter of fact, kakalabas ko lang galing sa trabaho, so I jumped off, got on my bike and whatnot, and hit the road, man. Bilisan mo! Come on, taxi. Make the turn. Make the turn. Okay. Currently riding Lacson Street, trying to figure out kung saan tayo pwedeng pumunta. Okay. Wala akong agenda for today, but I want to bring you guys with me and, you know, check out the traffic situation and whatnot, whatever comes first. I don't know. Dito sa Bacolod. Just a random vlog of Bacolod. Honestly speaking, again, I'm not from Bacolod myself. I'm from Cavite. So shout out, especially kay Downshift Boyet. Downshift Boyet. Downshift Vinci. I know he's from Cavite. So paikot-ikot lang po tayo dito ngayon. Oh shit! I know where to go now. Hold on a second. I'll do a right turn. Ooh, sexy. Oh, what the hell, man? Right on cam, bro. A-attempt nating pumunta sa tower na malapit sa SM, sa Poop Tower. I haven't been there yet. I mean, dumadaan po ako pero I haven't been actually going to that place before. So, tingnan lang kung makakakit tayo dun ngayon. Kung anong pwede nating gawin. No. So, kung hindi pa kayo nakapunta dito sa Bacolod, if you wanna find out how Bacolod looks like, it's something like half province, half city, I wanna say. Kasi everything is basically huge view of the landscape situation that's happening. And yeah, that's what it is. So at the moment, malapit tayo sa SM Bacolod. So kakaliwa po tayo dito. Kasi dito sa intersection na to. Tingnan nyo nga naman ang kagandahan dito sa lugar na to, no? So that's the tower right there, as you can see. Let's check out the situation kung makakuha tayo dito ng magagandang shots. Let's check it out, Kung bukas na siya, yun po siya mga kaibigan. Hatadea. Not sure if it's even open. Can we go in? Pwede ba pumasok dito? Libre bang ano dito? Tingnan natin. Open na kaya ito? I don't know. Should I check it out? Should I ask? I don't think pwedeng umakit at the moment. I don't know. Doggy! Thank you so much for the support. I honestly appreciate it. 80 subscribers, bro. 80! I mean, the last time I checked, 80 subscribers, dude. I don't know if you're in my shoes or what, but yung 80 na tao na yun na nag-subscribe sa channel ko, that's just awesome, mate. I don't even know what to say, but thank you, man. So dito lang po tayo ngayon sa trust me, people, you won't regret na nag-subscribe po kayo sa akin kasi po malupit-lupit ang mga vlogs ang parating, mga kaibigan. By the way, if you have not yet followed me on Instagram and Facebook, just go ahead and search Oxu Stress TV Motovlog and hit the follow button, hit that like button. Other than subscribing to my YouTube channel, make sure that you hit that notification bell and hit that bell to get all notifications whenever I do uploads or post anything. Thank you ulit, mga kaibigan, sa panonood sa aking vlog. Don't forget to subscribe at Oxu Stress TV Motovlog. Like, comment, and share this video.